Now, if you watch your girl, you probably already know that I love to smell amazing, okay? Smelling amazing is one of my weaknesses, okay? And I also love to be surrounded around people who smell good, because what better way to start your day than by smelling amazing, by feeling amazing, and by entering a room with so much sass and pizzazz, because honey, you smell good, okay? When you smell good, you feel good, okay? For those of you all that do not know, DOSSIER is one of my favorite brands to keep your girls' scent on point. And you guys, they offer an array of different scents in order for you to get your smell good on for a very inexpensive cost. Are you tired of spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on your favorite scents? Well, these are going to become your new faves in order for smelling good on a budget. I have two of my favorite scents here that I want to recommend and share with all of you ladies out there, okay? So this is Gourmand White Flowers. You guys, this is one of my absolute faves. Now, this has top notes of bergamot, green tea, freesia, and berries. You guys, this smells absolutely beautiful. Or maybe you're a fruity brown sugar girl. This has top notes of bergamot, raspberry, and pear. You guys, this smells beautiful as well, and this is the scent that I just put on. Now, your girl is getting ready to step outside of the house, and I can't wait for everybody to smell fruity brown sugar. These are inspired by your favorite scents for a fraction of the cost. You guys are going to absolutely love these. Make sure that you check out DOSSIER down below in order to get your smell good on. And honey, let me know how you like your scents after you receive them. And I want to thank DOSSIER so much for sponsoring this video. Let's get right into today's video. Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button in order to join the Glam fam. And hey, make sure that your post notifications are turned on. Comment down below. I'd love to know who's watching me and who's supporting the channel. So even if you leave something as simple as an emoji, let me know down below that you are supporting the channel. Show your girl some comment section love. So I'm gonna make this short and simple because it definitely has been a while since I've sat down and recorded a video, and the reason being is because honey, I don't know what's going on with your girl, okay? I have had zero energy to be bothered with my camera, to be bothered with moving. Like, I've literally just been laid up in my bed trying to figure out what am I gonna do next for my Glam fam, okay? You guys, I have been tired. I'm literally out of breath dang near every time that I move. So if you see me kind of take a step back in this video or take a moment to take a deep breath, you guys, I don't know what is going on with me. Maybe I'm fat. There's a possibility that I'm fat. Do y'all think that 140 is fat? Because I'm feeling real fat right now, and not to mention my chest feels super duper heavy. So y'all just bear with me throughout this video because whew, child, I'm trying to take in all the air that I have. Like, oh, let me record for my Glam fam because y'all, your girl ain't been feeling like herself, okay? I ain't been feeling like myself. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about chia seeds. Now, chia seeds are known to be beneficial for both weight gain and weight loss. I know a lot of y'all are probably watching like, what? Is that true? Yes, chia seeds are typically known to be beneficial for both. So we're going to go over them both. First, of course, starting with the weight loss, and then we're going to get into the weight gain. So without further ado, just continue watching. Now, with chia seeds, before anybody starts asking, there is no scientific proof that chia seeds help with weight loss, okay? One of the reasons why people think that chia seeds work for weight loss is because they prevent hunger. So throughout the day, you won't be getting hungry as much as you probably typically would, which is one of the reasons why chia seeds can help you to shed off some of those extra pounds if that's what you're looking to do with your body, yada yada, honey. We tend to also think that chia seeds are great for weight gain because they are a great source of protein and fat. Did you guys know that about chia seeds? So when you're going to the gym and you're getting your workouts in, when you consume your chia seeds, they should help you to see faster results with bum gains. We all know that protein is amazing for that, okay honey? You'll be on your way to a banging body in no time, baby, as long as you're consuming those chia seeds. So yes, chia seeds can be beneficial for both. They can be beneficial for weight loss and also for weight gain, all depending on what you're trying to use them for. But like I just mentioned, if you're looking to use chia seeds for weight gain, I definitely recommend having a great workout routine along with your chia seeds. Now you may be watching this video and wondering, what are some other benefits of chia seeds? Well, you're getting more than just a potential weight loss or weight gain perk. Chia seeds might be little, but they are full of more nutrition than you think, which is why people always say never judge the outside, okay? Because honey, chia seeds are packed with a ton of different nutrition. And hey, they also contain a great amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Now the common dosage recommended for chia seeds is about 20 grams per day. Now you can do this twice per day, all depending on what type of results you are looking to achieve. And make sure that you remember to drink plenty of water to prevent any digestive issues, because honey, I promise you, you do not want to smoke with digestive issues. I'm telling you now. So whether you're looking to lose weight or you're looking to gain weight, chia seeds are definitely something that you want to check out, because they are definitely going to help you on whichever journey you are looking to take. And hey, you can start today. Make sure that you check out the description box in order to pick up your very own chia seeds. You guys are going to absolutely love chia seeds. Now me personally, I use chia seeds when I went on my weight gaining journey. For those of y'all that do not know, your girl used to be super duper slim and now your girl is slim thick, and I absolutely love chia seeds. You can use chia seeds in smoothies, you can use chia seeds in yogurt, you can put chia seeds in pretty much anything. And one of the simple ways that I prepare my chia seeds is by simply putting it in yogurt. Yes, I said yogurt. You can add your chia seeds to your yogurt. Simple, easy peasy, and you have yourself something that is delicious. It does not alter the taste because chia seeds do not have much of a taste. And you guys, these are amazing, okay? They add a little bit of extraness to whatever you decide to consume. And because of the fact that chia seeds doesn't have much flavor, you can put them with salads, you can put them in pretty much anything, you guys. Pretty much anything. So I'd recommend that you guys check out the description box in order to get your very own chia seeds today, honey, so that you can get on the road to improving that body yaddy yaddy, to feeling amazing, and to looking and being your best self. And that's pretty much all that I have for you all on today. Hey, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Turn on those post notifications, hit that like button, let me know down below, okay, where you're watching from, because I would love to know where you're tuned in from. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.